So right here is our VVT solenoid on the side of our head. We're going to use our 10mm socket and remove this bolt right here holding our AC line. I'm going to go ahead and move our AC line just a little bit and give us a little more room to get in here. I'm going to use our pliers to reach in here and pinch that little tab on the back side of it and pull that wiring harness off of the sensor. I'm going to go ahead and use our 10mm socket and ratchet, and we're going to remove this bolt just to the right. There's only one bolt holding this in place. And once that bolt is loose, it's hard to keep the ratchet on there. So I'm using 2 hands, 2 fingers, and just kind of spinning that out. Not a lot of room to work in there. Okay, it's now loose. You're gonna remove it, and you'll be able to identify, make sure it's the right one, because there'll be this shank on it right there. You can reach down, and you might be able to get your finger behind that sensor. Gonna pull it straight out, and pull it out. Before installation of our new sensor here, you just take a little bit of motor oil, clean motor oil, and put it on the O-ring. Help that slide in a little bit easier. All right, let's go ahead and lower our sensor down into position. Let's go ahead and slide that into the engine there. Let's try and straighten out our sensor here and get that all lined up. Let's feed our bolt down inside. And we have that in there. Gonna go ahead and use our ratchet and go ahead and snug that down. We'll just give that just a little bit extra. So it's bottomed out right there, just a little bit more. Now I want to go ahead and grab that harness, try and line that up. I'm just going to use my 2 fingertips and pull it up and on and get this bolt threaded in a few threads. And I'm just going to go ahead and snug that down.